YouTube, back at it with another video. This one I'm gonna show you something about these Cummins engine. I'm about to put a gallon of oil in here. I'm low about a gallon, so I just went to Walmart, got a gallon for, what is it, 13.78. So it's about $7 cheaper than the truck stop. So if you need oil, go to Walmart and get it. But now right here where you pour the oil, you have a built-in funnel. This yellow part, you just will pull it out and it's a funnel. I need to put the light somewhere where you could get a better view of what I'm doing right here. I hope that's not too bright. Okay, that's good. Okay, what I was saying now, this, where you pour your oil in, this yellow part is a funnel. This is a built-in funnel they put on this truck, so you don't need to go buy a funnel if you have this red Cummins motor and you see this yellow ring around the where you pour your oil in. Just put your finger in there and pull up on it. See that come out? That's a funnel. What you do, you hold it up like that and you pour your oil in. I'm gonna see if I could do this with one hand, man, because my camera dead. Forget to plug it up last night. But you get the idea though. I'm probably gonna put the camera down and pour this oil in so I could get out of here. But that's a built-in funnel in this truck, man. So you don't have to go buy a funnel in order to put oil in the truck, and it come all the way out. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you have any questions or anything, just leave it below.